Hey YouTube, and thank you for watching Junkworks DIY Garage. Well, it's time for another apartment update, and we're not as far along as I wanted to be, but we're getting there. Alright, let's go check it out. And the first thing as we come through the door, we got our bathroom, and yet again, you'll notice not a whole lot in here. In fact, we've gone a little backwards. We got all the plumbing tore out of this area here. But we got sheetrock on all the walls, and if any of you have been watching these, you know what that means. That means my electrical has all passed. So we're good to go on electrical. Everything I done was good. So if you didn't like my electrical, at least it passed in my area. Anyhow, so we got sheetrock up. I am right now working on all the spackling and taping and soon to be texturing in the middle of that. So that's not a whole lot, but a whole lot more. Alright, hopefully in a couple days that'll be done. Then we're coming through, and I honestly can't remember if the floors were in. I think the floors were in last time, but we got the floors in. We got a couple rugs to protect things. You'll notice here there's a couple appliances sitting here. Still trying to kind of sort this out, and we're waiting for a cupboard, but we'll come back to that later. We got furniture in here. We got the air conditioning in here. All the windows are in and done, and everything around them. They need some caulking and painting still, but that stuff we can do once she's in. But we got, you know, the quarter round all around. It's all kind of finished off. Got a nice board up here. This is going to be painted, but air conditioner. Keep on going through here. We'll go through the room now. Keep in mind that when I open this door in a couple days, she's actually moving in because she needs to be out of the place she's in. So we got lots of stuff in here, but this room is completely finished, and I'm gonna, for her privacy, kind of keep it down on the floor for the most part here. You know, we have stuff everywhere trying to move her in. This isn't going to be the last layout obviously, but this room is finished. All the moldings are done, all the caulking is done. It does need painting on the trim, but she said that she would take care of that a little bit at a time as she gets to it, so I'm going to let her go ahead and do that. A couple things with the flooring need finished off, but I got to call the flooring guy back to do those couple things. So regardless, room is pretty well. Now, the big stuff here. Kitchen, living room area. Yet again, you saw the couch was sitting there, but we got all the electrical done once again. So the refrigerator sitting here, the stoves here, microwaves here, and these are her kitchen cabinets. All the uppers are completely done. We are going to throw another one over here because I misjudged how far over that was going to be, so I tried to use the old cord from the old microwave, but the old microwave was further over here. Now it's further this way. But another one of these cupboards over the top of the fridge should take care of most of that. I mean, you're going to see the plug, but so be it. Lights all done. We actually had the power back on in here. Bottom cabinets. Here's where we start losing steam a little bit here. We are waiting for some more cabinets. Actually, we only have one more cabinet that's going to go right here. So quite honestly, this is sitting right where that cabinet's going to be. This is how far out it's going to come into the room. We kind of stuck that there as this is what's going to be there. Countertops, we can't get those done until this cabinet shows up. So we're waiting on stuff. There's the dishwasher, not hooked up. I still got to hook both these appliances up, but it's getting there. So really liking how it's coming out. Much happier with it than I thought I was going to be, as far as a lot of the things I was worried about are getting covered up with other things now, so I don't have to worry about whether or not the work I did shows. But anyhow, all the plug-ins are in. Electrical, for all intents and purposes, are done. That right there, that is something. I had this right here was okay the way I had this, but this plug, because I hadn't messed with any of this according to the laws in my area, because I didn't mess with the plugs or anything like that, I should have probably been able to make this work. But because I was truthful and said that that was a living room area and this was a kitchen area, they forced me to take the plug behind here and that plug and put them on their own circuit. So be it, I did it. I am actually waiting for that for inspection, but because of the whole COVID thing, basically I've called and there's a good chance the guy will never come back again. So regardless, it's done. All right, well, I think we are, for all intents and purposes, finished with this video. So thanks for watching Junkworks DIY Garage, where I'm proud to say I'm a jack of all and master none. You all have a good one.